Before we start, stand up first for our prayer. Okay, Janelle, please lead a prayer. Amen. Good morning, class. Okay, so now, do you want to sing a song? Okay, let us have a song. Are you familiar with the song, I Have Two Hands? Okay, good. So, 1, 2, 3, go. I have two hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see. Okay, did you enjoy our action song, class? Very good. Now, before you take your seats, please pick up some pieces of papers under your chairs and put it in a garbage can. Now, are you all present today, class? Yes, very good. All of you here are present. It is nice to hear that. Now, who can still remember our previous topic last meeting? Yes, Jane? Very good. Our topic last meeting was all about perimeter. Now, do you have clarifications or questions regarding our previous topic class? Okay, very good. Since you already understand what is perimeter, let us proceed to our next topic for today. But before that, let me present to you first our classroom rules for you all to be guided in all of our activities. Now, classroom rules. First, observe silence. Second, avoid talking to your seatmates. Third, respect each other. Fourth, listen to the teacher's discussion. Fifth, raise your right hand if you want to answer. Is that clear, class? Okay, very good. Now, I have here an incentive chart. Okay, this is entitled More Stars, More Scores. So class, if you want to earn a lot of points, you need to answer all of my questions. And if I am very satisfied of your answers, I will give you the biggest stars, which is equivalent in 15 points. And if I am only satisfied of your answers, I will give you 10 points. And if I am not really satisfied, I will only give you 5 points. Is that clear, class? Okay, very good. Now, I will group you into 3 groups. This side will be the group 1, this side will be the group 2, and the middle will be the group 3. Okay, are you all comfortable with your groups, class? Okay, very good. Okay, now, let us have an activity. This is our first activity. I have here 3 envelopes. The envelopes for group 1, group 2, and group 3. Now, inside the envelopes are letters and pictures, but it is crumbled. And what you are going to do, you will arrange the pictures and the letters. Very good. Now, but before we start, I have here a rubrics for you all to be guided in our activity. Am I clear, class? Okay. Here is the rubrics. Okay. Rubrics. Correctness, 10 points. Cooperation, 5 points. Neatness, 5 points. The total of 20 points. Am I clear, class? Okay, so let us have an activity. This is for the group 1, the group 2, and the group 3. Okay. Are you done, class? Okay, very good. Now, please paste it in the blackboard so that we will check it if there is an error or it is correct. Okay. Okay, very good, class. All of your answers are correct. Now, what was our topic for today? Based on our activity, what is it? Okay, Janelle? Yes, very good, Janelle. Our topic for today is all about solving non-routine and routine problems in regards with, single and double bar graphs. Okay, let us have single bar graphs. Who wants to read? Yes, Rhea? Yes. Single bar graphs are used to convey the discrete value of the item for each category shown on the opposing axis, the x-axis or the horizontal axis, and y-axis or the vertical axis. Okay, is that clear, class? Okay, now I will show you what is a single bar graph for you to understand more. Now, this is an example of a single bar graph, class. This is a single bar graph. This is the bar and this is the graph. That is what we call single bar graph. Am I clear, class? Okay, let us have an example. Okay, I have here an example of single bar graph. Another example of a single bar graph. Okay, class, this is an example of a single bar graph. The single bar graph shows the number of students' favorite color. Okay, so in the vertical axis, it represents the number of students, and in horizontal axis, it represents the favorite color. Okay, may I ask you some questions? How many number of students voted in the color red? Yes, Jane? Okay, very good. It is 23 number of students. How about the blue and the green? Yes, Janelle? Okay, very good. The blue is 15 and the green is 10. Okay, what about the pink and the black? Okay, yes, Ria? Yes, it is correct. Black is 4, 5, and the pink is 3. Okay, very good, class. Now, solve the total number of students voted in their favorite color. Okay, yes, Jane? Yes, you're right. 56 number of students. Okay, very good. Am I clear, class? Okay, now, let us have another example. Let us read, okay? Liza, Ramon, Teddy, and Buknoy are classmates at Bagong Silang Elementary School. They are in grade 4. They live near the school. They just walk going to school. Okay, the graph is distance from school. Okay, so this is Lisa, Ramon, Teddy, and Buknoy. Okay, may I ask you some questions? Okay, be reading. What distance is for Lisa? Yes, Annalyn? Very good. It is 250 distance. How about Ramon and Teddy? Yes, Lynn? Very good. For Ramon is 200 distance. And for Teddy is 210 distance. What about Buknoy? Yes? Yeah? Okay. 250 also. Okay. So, how much farther Buknoy walked than Ramon? Very good. 15 meters. Okay, very good, class. You understand what is a single bar graph. Okay, what was the single bar graph shows? Very good. Distance from coming to school. With that, I will give you stars, big stars. Okay. So, am I clear, class? Very good. Now, okay, let us have double bar graph. Who wants to read? Okay, yes, Lisa? Okay, double bar graph is a graphical display of information using two bars beside each other at various heights. let us cite some example for you all to be aware of what is double bar graph. Okay, so this is an example of a double bar graph class. Okay, this is a double bar graph. The favorite ice cream of the students. In the vertical is the number of students. And in the horizontal, they favorite ice cream, which is the vanilla, strawberry, lemon, chocolate, and peach. Okay, now, the bars can be arranged vertically or horizontally. Okay, vertical or horizontal. Then, it is also used to compare two data groups and it has two axes. Yes, it has two axes. The y and the x-axis. Am I clear, class? Okay, let us have another example. Okay, class. This is an example of a double bar graph. Now, I will ask you a question. What does this bar graph show? Yes, very good, Lynn. The bar graph shows the favorite sports of 3rd and 4th graders. In the vertical information, what does this show? Very good, number of students. What about the horizontal? Yes, very good, the sports they voted. Okay, I will give you a star for the group 3 and for the group 2. Now, what sports did grade 3 voted the most? Yes, Ria? Very good. It is baseball. Now, what about the grade 4? What sports did voted the most? Okay, very good, Lynn. It is basketball. Let us clap our hands. Yay! Okay, now let us have another example. Okay, this is another example of a double bar graph. Okay, what does this bar graph shows? Okay, yes, Alec. Very good. The bar graph shows Michelle and April's favorite ice cream. Okay, so what did you observe in the bar graph? What flavor did April like the most? Okay, yes, Rose. Very good. April loved chocolate flavors. What about Michelle? Okay, yes, Lynn. Very good. April also loves chocolate flavor. So, they are in the same favorite flavor of ice cream, that chocolates. Now, what flavor did April didn't like to eat? Okay, very good. It is the peach. What about Michelle? Very good. Michelle also doesn't like flavor of peach. Okay, they are in the same flavor of ice cream. Okay, now, did you understand what is single and double bar graph, class? Very good. Let us clap our hands together. Okay, now, since you don't have any questions, do you want to have an activity, class? Very good. Let us have an activity. Okay, class, for our activity, I have here 3 boxes. Okay, this box is for the group 1, and this box is for the group 2, and finally for the group 3. Inside the boxes, it contains a graph and a problem. What we are going to do is to answer the problem inside, okay, by looking at the data presented in a single or in a double. Okay, am I clear, class? Okay, but before that, let me present to you first our rubrics for this activity. Correctness, 10 points. Explanation, 10 points. Cooperation, 5 points. Neatness, 5 points. For a total of 30 points. Okay, are you all excited? Very good. Okay, let us start. This is for the group 1. group 2 and for the group 3. Okay, you may now begin. Okay, are you done, class? Very good. Okay, let us check your answers. Okay, all of your answers are correct. Okay, let us have an amazing clap. Do you know how to clap an amazing clap? Okay, this is what we're going to do. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Zing, zing, zing. Amazing. Okay, very good. Now, do you want to have an activity, class? Another activity? Okay, let us have another activity. Okay, for our next activity or the last activity, I want you all to draw one data in a single bar graph and one data also in a double bar graph. Okay, two data presented in a group 1, group 2, and group 3. Okay, am I clear, class? Okay, but before that, I want you all to be aware of our rubrics for this activity. Okay, rubrics. Correctness, 10 points also. Explanation, 10 points. Cooperation, 5 points. And the neatness is 5 points. For the total of 30 points. Okay. Okay, this is for the group 1, group 2, and for the group 3. Okay. You may now begin. Okay, are you all done? Very good. Okay, let us check your answers. Okay, so all of your answers are correct. Okay, let us have an amazing clap. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Zing, zing, zing. Amazing. Okay, very good, class. Now, did you understand what is a single and a double bar graph? Okay, very good. Now, if you really understand what is it, I have a question. Okay, this is for 15 points. Okay, what is single bar graph? Yes, Jisa? Very good. You have 15 points. Okay, now, what is a double bar graph? Okay, yes, Ken? Very good. You have also 15 points. Now, is double bar graph or a single bar graph important in our daily lives? Yes, it is. Very good. You earn 2 stars. Okay. So, it is important because it is used in finding information in daily lives. Okay. Is it understood, class? Okay, very good. Now, do you have any questions or clarifications in regards with our topic today, class? Okay, since you didn't have any questions or clarifications, I will give you some quiz. Okay, let us have quiz. Okay, please get one whole sheet of paper and answer the following questions. Okay, you may now begin. Okay. Okay, so this is for 1 and 5 items. This is for the 6 to 10 items. Okay. Are you done, class? Okay, very good. Pass the papers forward. Okay, so now, before we end our discussion, I have here a assignment to be done in your home or at home. Okay. Okay. Am I clear, class? Okay, very good. Let us stand up first for our prayer. Okay, Ria, please lead the prayer.